Yeah. There it is. Wow, that's a cool nest, huh?
Yeah, it is.
There's no eggs in it, but this is where they lay their eggs and they hatch. Do you remember when they were up in there?
Yeah.
Just a couple weeks ago?
Yeah, my couldn't see them.
Wow, this thing is hard.
What? Hi.
Just be careful. It could be germs in here, okay? But feel how hard that is?
Yeah, mine need gloves too.
Well, I don't have gloves that would fit you.
I gloves have germs on it.
I see some bird poop.
Ooh, where?
I don't know. Alright, that's cool. Wow, they use some paper towels too.
What?
They use paper towels to make it. That's cool. We can keep... I'm gonna keep it right here.
Why?
I don't know. That's pretty cool though, huh? I don't want to let them do that next year though.
What?
Next year I'm not gonna let them build a nest there. Cause remember how loud they were when we would come back here and they'd like yell at us?
Yeah.
That was a little bit annoying, right? Oh, I don't want to get this over the fence. I know, I gotta be careful. No, it's pretty good. I don't think it's going over. See, those are way too big for you.
What?
Those gloves.
Well, mine won't touch the furnace.
Alright, you can touch it. Just be careful, it might get you. I'm just kidding, there's nothing in it. Hey, let's move it though, I don't want it to get all wet. We'll move it right here. How about we put it next to our tree?
Oh, yeah.
Next to the Sophie KK Cameron tree.
That's not my tree.
Well, it's for all of you guys. What, is that cool? Touching the nest? Do 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 do. What are you, Michael Jackson?
What?
So who are you, Michael Jackson? You got one white glove on?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a joke.
You should keep